Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in Netflix on phone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, the first thing that you need to do to log in is open up or download Netflix app. So head over to your app store and then just type in Netflix and just download it, right? And once you have downloaded it, simply click on open. Now you'll get an interface like this, right? Now all you gotta do is tap on sign in, and once you tap on it, here enter your phone number, right? And once you have entered your phone number and enter your password, remember to enter the email or phone number that is linked to the account that you have created, right? Now once you have done that, all you gotta do now is simply tap on sign in and you'll be logged into your Netflix app. So that's how you do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.